Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how device connections can be logged to reveal technical details such as location data, country, device category, browser information, user agent, and other metadata, exactly as shown on my screen. Before we continue, it's very important to understand this. This video is created strictly for cybersecurity education and awareness. It does not encourage or support illegal surveillance, stalking, or invasion of privacy. Tracking or monitoring a device without proper consent is illegal in many countries and may result in serious legal consequences. All demonstrations in this video are performed in a controlled setup using devices owned by me, with full authorization. Please use this knowledge responsibly and ethically. With that out of the way, let's move on. For this demonstration, we'll be using an IP logger website. An IP logger is a web-based utility frequently used in cybersecurity testing, digital investigations, and network analysis. It works by generating a special tracking link that records connection metadata when the link is accessed. This data can include IP address, approximate location, device platform, operating system, browser type, and user agent details. Let's open the IP logger website. This is the homepage interface. Scroll down slightly, and you'll notice an input field. This is where we paste a normal URL that we want to convert into a tracking link. For this demonstration, I'll open a new browser tab and search for free Apple gift card image on Google. Once the results appear, I'll copy the page URL. This will serve as our sample link. Now, we return to the IP logger page and paste the copied URL into the input box. Next, we click the Generate button. The IP logger has now created a new shortened tracking link. This is the link that records connection details before redirecting to the original website. To test it, I'll send this link to my second phone and open it. As you can see, once the link is opened, it immediately redirects to the Google search page we selected earlier. From the user's perspective, nothing looks suspicious. Now, let's return to the IP logger dashboard and refresh the page. You'll notice a new connection entry has appeared. Clicking on View Details reveals the captured information, including device type, browser version, operating system, IP address, and approximate geographical location. This is how analysts can collect connection metadata during investigations or security testing. Tools like IP loggers are commonly used by cybersecurity researchers, digital forensic teams, and fraud investigators to analyze suspicious activity, investigate phishing attempts, trace scam operations, and understand traffic behavior, always within legal boundaries. Final disclaimer. This content is provided solely for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes. Any misuse of IP logging tools for unauthorized tracking, spying, or harassment is illegal and punishable by law. Always obtain clear consent and follow ethical and legal guidelines when performing any form of digital investigation. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking and cybersecurity content.